Welcome to Android Wear tutorial. In this video we will see vision for Android Wear. As you can observe here in this picture, cute looking girl with pretty decent legs, and she is holding her smartphone. She is completely lost in her smartphone. She has no idea that there is a guy next to her. There are other two elders. They both are completely busy with their smartphone. They are missing very beautiful life which exists outside that smartphone. This thing reminds me of one movie. Let me show what is that. Zombies who are not interacting with anyone beside them, they are just walking dead. It reminds me of one more movie, WALL-E, where human beings are turned out ugly and fat by spending their whole life on chair by doing everything with their computers. It looks like very serious problem. Let us see what solution we can figure out for this problem. We have it. This tutorial is based on that solution. As you have guessed, the solution is Android Wear. Now let us see what is Android Wear. Shiny, bold and beautiful touchscreen watches, which we call them as smartwatches, looks cool on our wrist. Google Glass looks awesome and it's highly addictive. This is the way it solves our problem. Red band and white band combined indicates how much time we spend our time using our smartphone for specific small tasks. If we get any notification from one app, to check notification we open our smartphone and we get lost in other shiny stuff in app, which result in lots of wastage of time and we miss out enjoying beautiful world outside that smartphone. With Android Wear watch we get connected more with the people around right now instead of the people who are not right now with us. With Android Wear you can live your life even more.
That does that?
Just got a jellyfish warning.
Want to try counting?
Let's go to Zuma.
Morning, kids. Reply, be there in 2. There it is. Okay, Google, what's the Syracuse score? Yay! Woo!
Okay, Google, open garage.